In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Workast for Slack teams. Workast is a lightweight project and task manager that lives right inside Slack. So you can capture work where conversations happen and keep everything moving without switching tools. We'll go from installing the app to creating your first project area, and then adding tasks with assignees and due dates all directly from Slack. To begin, install Workast from the Slack app directory. Open the directory, search for Workast, and add it to your Slack workspace. This connects Workast to Slack so it can create project spaces, post task updates, and respond to commands. Once it's installed, you're ready to create your first space. A space is your project area inside Workast, organized around a topic, team, or initiative. In Slack, go to the channel where the work will live and type the /command /to-do. This opens the Workast flow to create a space linked to that channel, so tasks you add are easy for the team to find. If you prefer, you can also open the Workast app in Slack and use its menu to create a new space there. Give your space a clear, searchable name so teammates instantly know what belongs there. With your space created, you can start adding tasks. In the space, write each task as a single line. Keep the title concise and action-focused, something like draft product brief or update onboarding checklist. To assign the task, type an @mention immediately after the task name. This ensures the right person is notified and accountable. Right in that same line, add a due date so expectations are clear from the start. Workast understands natural language, so you can write things like tomorrow and Friday, or even Octi15 at 3 p.m. For example, a draft product brief @teammate tomorrow creates the task, assigns it, and sets the deadline all at once. If a task needs more detail, you can always open it after creation to add notes or context, but the essentials, title, assignee, and due date, belong in that first line so nothing is missed. Use consistent naming and realistic timelines to make your task list scannable and trustworthy. That's it. Install Workast from the Slack app directory, create a space using /to-do or the Workast app menu, then add tasks in that space, assigning with an @mention and setting due dates directly in the task line. With this flow, your team can capture decisions, assign ownership, and keep deadlines visible without leaving Slack.